Good morning, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. We are going to do a little bit for us conspiracy theorists, right? Well, at least my tinfoil hat won't give me AIDS. Get ready.
And here we go.
Hello, Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department in California. Look at this here. Oh, a triangle inside of a triangle inside of a triangle, right? Six-pointed star, like the Star of David or Jerusalem, right? Most sheriff's departments have this. That ought to wake y'all up, right? But what's so big about this, though, right? The triangle inside a triangle? It's only the same thing that's on the Pope's... What? The Pope's garments. Triangle inside of a triangle. Just like this, right? Same thing, ain't it? Well, that's a satanic pedophile. Yeah. Who knew that? It's all over the place. Oh, look. With the cross. The cross of Jesus. It's all over all of their garments. Ain't that something? But how do I know that that's pedophilia, right? Oh, well, here you go. Unclassified, which means not classified, which means it's open to the public for everybody to know. Look at this. Federal Bureau of Investigation has even announced it. Look at this. These are their symbols. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yep. Boy lover. Boy lover. Right here. In fact, some of them are even putting it on their coins. It's sick, freaking disgusting people. Look at this. It's on rings, earrings, embroachments for your necklaces. Girls, guess what? Guess what? Oh, yeah. Girl lover, child love. Disgusting. Get it out of here. Yep, butterflies. I don't know what this one is. This is online media activism. Oh, it's both of them inside of a circle. Ain't that just nice? No, not really. Look at this. People even put it on windows. Oh, yeah. But hey, that's just a conspiracy theory, right? I'm just throwing this one in for the fun of it. Ready? It all starts with the Queen's death. 10 days of darkness. How many have already heard the rumor about her being dead, found dead? The royal family, they're having talks and stuff in the background. None of them are denying that she was found dead. Like, nobody at all. Are we not going through a World War III scare event right now? Water event? Yeah. Have we not been seeing a lot of rain falling down out of the sky? Lots of floods and storms? Have we not been having tsunamis and stuff happening? Think, folks. Stock market. Look at cryptocurrency. Look at the stock market. It's going all over the place. It's nuts. Get ready. It's starting to happen. Who remembers the Spanish flu pandemic, 1918 to 1920? Masks show individuality of wearer. Fancy indulged in varied styles. Look at this old newspaper article here. How many people are trying to get fancy with their doggone mask? Who remembers that, huh? Oh, voluntary flu ban urged. Oh, look at all these old newspaper articles. Ain't that something? He puts a hole in it so he can have a daggum cigarette there. But I'm protected from the virus. Just to see how dumb people are. Look at this. Churches, schools, shows closed. I mean, come on, man. Folks, this isn't new. This is old stuff. I mean, look at this. Wear masks and save your life. It's from right here, 1918. October 21st, 1918. Come on. Folks, we need to start waking up. Look, here's an advertisement. New York Telephone Company. When in quarantine, people who are in quarantine are not isolated if they have Bell Telephone. The Bell service brings cheer and encouragement to the sick and is of value in countless other ways. Friends, whether close at hand or far away, can be easily reached because Bell service is universal service. An advert? Are you kidding me? To get people to switch to Bell? What the fragnog? Oh, look at this. Dan Scavino. Dan's Truth Post. Notice the logo. Truth Social starts with Q. You see that? Q. Hebrew. Truth Social. Think he's part of the Jewish ordeal? Well, what would that matter? I mean, we all know that he's somewhat, Jewish, right? I mean, the Pigpen Cipher, alternately referred to as the Masonic Cipher, Freemasons Cipher. Yes, folks, come on. This is how the media does it, folks. That one photo, probably staged, which we all know it is, The one photo will be enough to convince people. It is easier to fool people than to convince them they have been fooled. Mark Twain. Ain't that true? All the world is a stage, and all the men and women are merely players.
And here we go with Ukraine. Hey, if Time is gonna stage a photo, they might want to tell the soldier to take the cap off his optics. Oh my gosh. Optics are important. What are you looking at, bud?
I've got a question for y'all. Here's a photo of Donald J. Trump. I do follow Q, but it's in the Anons. But it's kind of like for a different reason. This is Trump, right? We know that he left with Air Force One, went down to Mar-a-Lago, right? Took it down to Florida. And he's supposedly still flying around on it. But what is this? That don't look like Air Force One to me. But this is Marine One? So this is Marine One. He's got Marines right here, as usual, saluting the president as he gets on board. When he got off of Air Force One? Air Force One's a 747. What is that? That is not a 747. And just to clarify, here is a picture of Marine One with the steps and a Marine off to the right side, as you can see, and a Marine in the pilot seat and the co-pilot seat. So whoever was taking the picture was sitting right here taking a picture of Donald J. Trump. So that was not Air Force One. What's going on? And here's kind of a off the subject connection here. Look at this. Here's an Aboriginal guy with the same symbol as symbols that are found on Göbekli Tepe, which is over 12,000 years old. Okay, this is basically like Stonehenge kind of a thing, only it's a huge city and it's been found. And where is it at? Turkey. And this guy's in Australia. Aborigines are in Australia. This is in Turkey. Is it a coincidence? And it's a symbol of two people sharing knowledge, sitting across from each other, basically. Okay, back to being where we should be. Look at this. Fox News really aired this clip of Ukrainians but they're not cardboard. I will say they were wrong on the cardboard. These are not cardboard. It actually is what do you call it? Sheet wood. You know, it's it's plywood that they cut out. They painted it black to look like guns. And these guys are like, I'm a badass. Look at me. Are you serious? Fox, come on, man. Oh, you guys are killing me. Uh-oh. Just now on Fox News. Look at this. Oh, is there a green screen behind his head? Who sees the green? Oh my gosh, they're killing me. They're making it so easy. Now, are you guys ready for this? Check this out.
The Russian position is about a little bit more than
what just happened?
Kilometers, and about how brave
he's holding this thing. Look at how he's holding it. This is actually an AK, but he's trying to hold it there because he doesn't know how to make it stay in place. Watch this. He moves it. Okay, we're good. Oh, it fell out. He looks at the camera. He looks at the camera like, shit, what do I do now? Oh my gosh, they're killing it. Here's one from ABC News here in the United States. Pope Francis has canceled a scheduled Sunday visit to Florence and will not preside over Ash Wednesday commemorations next. Let's see. Sorry, commemoration next week because of what the Vatican described as a flare-up of acute knee pain. However, he'll visit the Russian embassy as his knee pain curbs activities. What? Come on. And here's another one. Adam Kinzinger. Here we go. 6:42 p.m. 2/25, February 25th, right? From his iPhone. Oh, that's funny. Look at this one. From March of 2016. What? Joe Biden threatens Putin by saying he will deploy Southside Chicago residents with lollipops. Intelligence agencies around the world have spotted American actor Steven Seagal among Russian special forces positioned around the outskirts of Gostomel airfield near Kyiv, captured by Russian airborne troopers. Oh boy. Isn't he dead? I'm pretty sure he died, folks. Didn't he die? I'm pretty sure he died. Okay, so here's the thing that people need to look at. Look at all these people that are supporting Ukraine. Okay? Bush, Kerry, Biden, Soros, Pelosi, Hillary, Obama, Romney, Abramovich. Yeah, okay, do you understand? Who do you support? Are you understanding yet? Are you starting to get it yet? Well, hang on. Let me help you with that. Putin is destroying the satanic biolabs in the Ukraine. He is destroying their underground hiding places, their businesses, their child trafficking dens, and their strongholds. Do not believe what the mainstream media are reporting. Putin is fighting for the freedom of the human race over in that area. Look at this. Money laundering. Putin is literally luring them all into a trap. Are you getting it yet, folks? Even Greg Abbott, Senator Ted Cruz, all these individuals. Look at this. The U.S. Embassy, you remember I showed you guys this yesterday? Check it out. Guess what? The Biological Threat Reduction Program. Remember me telling you guys about that? 11 documents are now gone. Libraries, Ukraine, 895. Look at here it is. This is the exact site that I showed you guys yesterday. When I was at and I showed it to you, it was gone. Bye-bye. I wonder why. Oh, and look at this. Foreign donors from 1999 to 2014 by nationality of donor. 10 million by Ukraine to who? The Clinton Foundation? What? Come on. Folks, if this guy here triggers you and these criminals don't, congratulations, you've been successfully mind controlled by the TV media around the world, really. You're pretty much a nincompoop. Sorry. I know it's gonna trigger some of y'all, but hey, you need to wake up to reality. Here's Musk right here. Cue the Storm Rider, Musk Starlink. He's putting them, oh yeah. Is this another step in internet freedom for the rest of us too, under guise of avoiding Mother Russia control when we're really being freed from cabal control? Question mark. Well, guess what? Elon Musk onto a Starlink service is now active in Ukraine. More terminals en route. It's gotta make one Starlink. Didn't I kind of do a video on that, folks? Here you go. Miss Manhattan. Ukrainian soldiers leaving their loved ones to fight for their country. Absolutely heartbreaking. Oh, even like the War of Chimeras, the movie? Come on, folks. Please don't fall for this. And then we look at here. Look at this. Times of Israel. Leaked report. Israel acknowledges the Jews, in fact, Khazars. Secret plan for reverse migration to Ukraine. What? What is this? What's that about? Remember this from yesterday? That's right. Wait a minute. Israel? Jews are Khazars? Nazi symbols? Smokescreen? Isn't this a little interesting, folks? Look at that. It's gotta make you wonder, doesn't it? And we're gonna end this one right here.
Alert, Canada. While they're distracting you with Ukraine, there's a wonderful bill making its way through the Senate as we speak. Bill S-233. Guaranteed basic income. This is the universal basic income for every communist nation. They tell you all that they need to raise everybody's taxes so they can provide welfare for every single person. Now, the best part is, if in order to get that welfare, you got to jump through all the hoops they want. They're going to create a national standard of health framework. Guess what's going to be in the national standard? Mandatory vaccinations. So now they're creating a Chinese-style social credit system under the guise of universal basic income and health measure reporting requirements.
That's right. So in closing, folks, am I a conspiracy theorist? I don't know. I think I just see through the bullshit theorist. But that's just me. Anyways, folks, keep your eyes open. No fear. And remember that love is the only way forward.